Hey guys, so I just picked up a new camera. It's just a cheap Chinese made camera. It's nothing special at all except for one feature. It is waterproof, so all things permitting I can get some underwater footage from the tanks. That'll be fun. But yeah, just thought I'd show you what's in the box and what the camera looks like. So let's check it out. First of all, we've got some manuals and some other stuff. This is a warranty card. We've got instruction on servicing and cleaning. Then we have this, which is drivers and actually editing software. So that'll be fun. We've got an instruction manual and some instructions for the software. So let's get to the main thing. This is the charger for the battery. There you go. Then we have a strap for the back. We've got a USB to AV cable. We've got the power cord. And then finally we've got an HDMI cable. So lots of accessories. The camera itself comes in a nice little bag. Yeah, it's incredible what you can get for under $100. So this is it. Now it says high quality LCD screen, but it's not that high quality. As I said, this is a cheap Chinese made camcorder, but it's just for fun. It's something that I can take with me wherever I go. It's something that I can just throw out when I get tired of it or when it doesn't work anymore. But even though this is a very cheap camcorder, as I said, it was 500 Danish kroners, which will amount to about 90 to 92 bucks or something. It's very cheap. It actually has a 3-year warranty, which impressed the heck out of me. And yeah, this brand is called Solid, but it is my impression that this camera is sold under multiple different brands depending on where in the world you come from. So if you want it, you can check out these brands. It's sold under Speed, model number WD5. It's sold under Audro, HDV C or Z 58. It's sold under C-Shock, Ultra Rugged HD Sport Camcorder, and then finally it's sold under the name DXG 5B1V. So yeah, some specs if you want them. It's waterproof down to 3 meters depth at 1 hour, and the still camera is 5 megapixel, but using the editing software you can scale it up to 16 megapixels. But I don't expect it'll be very good. The camera does not have autofocus, it does not have optical zoom, it does have 4x digital zoom, but it's pretty useless seeing as how you can't use it when recording in 1080p. So, don't know what went wrong there. Yeah, not much else to say about it. So, that's it. Just a short video. The battery's in here too, but it's kind of hard to get to, so you can pick it up cheaper off eBay and probably in some local shops of yours. It's not nearly as good as the Sony. It feels very cheap, but yeah, there you go. So I'll need to pick up an SD card, which I might have the time to do this weekend. So come the weekend, look forward to some underwater footage, providing the camera works. We'll see, but yeah. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.